What is happening, everybody? Today is Wednesday. It's the hump day. It's the hump day. Anyway, that's my little hump day song. Wednesday, April 14th, 2021. We're outside getting in the field. The sun is blazing. Look at that. It's right straight ahead over my face. Can't even see. Sun's blazing. April 14th. We got what do you call it? Tabata workout today. 20 seconds of work, 10 seconds of rest. 3 rounds, 18 minutes of work, 6 minutes a round. We got it going on today. It's hot. Let me tell you, it's hot, hot, hot. And this is gonna be killer out here. It's not a lot of crazy stuff, but it's heavy stuff. So heavy med ball, 80 pounder. Get a heavy one if you can't. You know what? Get a light one if you have to. Be a lightweight. Because we're gonna pick it up, we're gonna walk with it, jog with it as far as we can, up and back. One time, next time we're gonna try to put it overhead and walk or jog. Next time we're gonna hold it. We got the plate behind the back drags. See the plate over here? We got the handles, we're gonna grab them like this, and we're gonna drag like that. So we're gonna drag it, hold on, pull it as hard as you can, as far as you can, into 20 seconds. Then we're gonna come back and do pulls. We love the pulls. Down, boom. Everybody loves that. We got some dumbbells out here. Where's the dumbbell out here? We're gonna do some one-arm dumbbells. We're gonna do some core twists. We're gonna do some waist lifts where we hold the dumbbell here just straight up. Simple stuff. So anyway, that's what we got today. Let's get it going. Skillet here. Neil the grinding wheel, AKA Skillet. Why do they call me Skillet? I have no idea. Ask Ski. Ski? What's up with the skillet? Is it because I like to make eggs in a skillet? Because I'm scrambling? Oh, scrambling. I like it. All right, let's get it going, man. Shall we? Let's get this done. Oh, what's going on here? What? Let's get my Tabata going. What is going on with my stupid Tabata app? All right, you know what? Sometimes you just got to do it. All right, sorry about that. All right, pick it up. First thing, walk up and back with this big boy. If you can pick it up. Right here, 10 seconds up, 10 seconds back. Right here, hold it up right there. Grab it, walk with it, run with it. Turn, bring it back, turn and burn. Hold it tight, core tight, straight up. Woo. Plate behind the back. And then pull. So right here, get it? Pull. Bring it back now with the pulls. Pull it. Down and pull. Down and pull. Down and pull overhead. Come on, get those back muscles working with you. Come on. One more. Can't see me, but you can see the weight. We're gonna do that again. What we got next? Dumbbell. Dumbbells right here. Core twists. Get it close. There's only a 30. I know you can do it, come on. 30, dirty 30. Whip it, oh, I just cracked my back. Come on, twist, 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 twist. Bring it. Med ball. Up overhead this time. Walk. There you go, right there. That's it. Up and overhead. Walk. Bring it back. Come on. All the way up overhead. One arm, swings. Right here. Let's start with the right arm. So we're gonna go between the legs and up. 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 Up, up, up. Next arm, left arm. Woo. Leg spread up, all the way up, all the way up, up, up. Now we got a core slow twist, so we're gonna put it maybe up and out, like here. And we twist slow, so I'll bring it close. Right here, slow twist all the way around. Get the abs engaged, hold that up. Slow twist right here, all the way around. Keep the core tight. All the way around, come on. Fuck. All right, back to the big ball. Pick up the ball and walk down again. Right here. Drag it. Last but not least, right here, dumbbell from the waist, bring it up, all the way up, slow, down, up, down. That's what we got. Oh God, is that a breath? That was rough. Catch your breath, get a little water. Got a big old jug out here. That's it. Take a break, do another 2 more rounds of that. All right, that's what we got today. Don't forget, like, subscribe, share, comment, turn on notifications. Get out in the field, get your work done. It's sunny. Get off your ass and do something. So, near the grinding wheel, aka skillet. Peace out.